Oh, what a wild night in Philadelphia. The Raptors in town for this one. Doug Collins saying hi to Jose Calderon, and little did they know what was in store for this one. Pick this up in the second quarter here. Raptors building a lead. Ed Davis, watch this. Nice pump fake to get Spencer Hawes in the air and makes him pay with a dunk. 18 points, 10 rebounds, 6 assists. Nice night for Davis. Meanwhile, Terrence Ross was hot from downtown. Kyle Lowry finds him here. Ross, 12 points on 4 for 4 shooting from outside the arc in the first half. 18 points in the game off the bench. 60-43 Raptors on top at the half. They built that lead to 19 points, but here come the Sixers. Drew Holiday to Evan Turner to Lavoy Allen for the jam. That counts a 12-0 Sixers run. Allen with 12 points, 6 rebounds in the game. Lucky play here. Shot clock winding down. Lowry off the glass. Come on, really? Playing in his hometown. If Philly wants to show off for the family in the stands. 11 points, 11 assists for Lowry in this one. Toronto up by 9. Sixers still coming, though. Thaddeus Young, the jumper. 2-point game. Then Drew Holiday, the runner. 29-13. Philly outscores Toronto in the third quarter to make it a 1-point game heading into the fourth. Raptors here on the push. Lowry to Alan Anderson for 3. 18 points, 5 rebounds for him. Back to a 6-point lead. Now under 3 minutes to go. Again, here come the Sixers. Lowry turns it over. Thaddeus Young, fast break. Boom. 2-point game. 92-90. Nick Young, the drive. Stays on his feet to Thaddeus Young for the stuff. 27 points, 14 rebounds for Thad Young. Toronto up by 2. Then on the inbound, Jose Calderon turns the ball over, trying to get the ball in to Alan Anderson. And so Philly has a chance with 5.5 seconds to go. Holiday on the drive. Tough layup. No timeouts for Toronto. Kyle Lowry. 1.1 left. Throws up the prayer for the win. Oh, just misses it. 96 all. We go to overtime. Oh, and it was all Holiday, all Philly in the OT. The pull-up 3 here, more Holiday. 33 points, including all 12 of Philly's points in the overtime. He outscored Toronto 12-3 in the extra period. 108-101. 14 assists as well for Holiday. Philly, just their third win in 9 games in January. The Raptors have lost 4 in a row.